you will need powdered sugar, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, nonstick cooking spray, sugar, whole milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon, butter, eggs, pancake mix, and of course you will need your microwavable mugs.
Hi guys, welcome back to Glazing Recipes. Today we will be making cinnamon rolls in a mug.
We're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're going to mix that well. This is your filling. Alright, now we're going to make our dough, and we need 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of sugar, about 2 tablespoons of milk, maybe a little more, and then we're going to whisk that together. And then we're going to pour in our pancake mix, 1 1/4 cup of pancake mix. You could use flour, but this is the easiest way to go because it's already got some of the ingredients in it that we need. Then we're just gonna start up. I'm gonna sprinkle a little flour on here.
Plop, 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 plop.
Go.
Now I'm just going to start kneading my dough. I have added a little more flour now and then because it was a little sticky and it's made it better.
Okay, after cleaning our surface, we're going to put a little bit of flour on the surface and a little bit on my rolling pin. And then we're going to take our dough and we're going to roll it out.
Now I'm just going to put my filling from earlier in here. So now we're just going to roll this up as tight as I can get it. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Then I'm going to cut it in half. Ooh, look at that! Then I'm going to spray in my Nonstick. Okay. Then I'm going to put each little thing in here. Now we've done 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk. And now I'm just mixing it, and this is our icing. Yummy. Okay, so I actually forgot to add that before you put your cinnamon rolls in the microwave, put 2 teaspoons of water in both of the mugs. Bye.
Okay, now we're going to take our cinnamon rolls and we're going to put them in the microwave for 1 minute and 45 seconds. Okay, so now we have both of them ready and we're going to put our icing, we're going to drizzle that over the top. Next time we would do this in some tall skinny mugs so that it would stay upright, but it's okay, they're going to be delicious.
Okay, we're ready to try them.
Haley first. Is it good?
Yeah, they're good. They're cinnamony. Yummy.
I wonder if yours is different than mine. Want to trade? I think hers has more icing on it.